to my channel. As you can see, I'm holding on to a box here because I use the site Cherryz for the first time. I've seen a lot of YouTubers do Cherryz hauls. It's always looked really interesting and good, so I wanted to give it a go. So before we get into the box, I'll tell you a bit about it. Basically, you download the app on the phone, and it's basically got all sorts of different things. Let's go back to the Discover page. And basically they've got things for the home, Christmas, food and drink, just go up the categories there, stationery, all kinds of bits and bobs. Now, if you download the app on the phone and you order £20 plus of items, you will get your delivery free. However, if you are just going to order less than that, it's a minimum order of £10, which I don't think is bad at all. And the postage is £3. I used a voucher code and I got another £2 off, so I was quite happy with that. So we'll get there. So I won't waffle on any longer and I'll show you what I got in this box. So I ordered this on Friday night and it arrived today, which is Tuesday, so I'm really impressed. You won't be seeing this on the Tuesday, so you'll see this on Monday. So it comes well packaged like that, and that went on the floor. And as you can see, box of goodies in there. So I'm guessing this is a candle. So this comes well like that as well. So I've got this candle because I like the sound of it. And this was £2, which I thought was very good price. And I think it burns for around 22 hours. And it's a 3-layered candle because trio scent it says. So I've got cinnamon apple, cookie berry and festive cranberry. And we're going into Christmas, so I like a bit of a festive scent when I'm burning a candle. Oh, it does smell really nice. So I can't wait to be trying that later on today. Let's see where I can put that, because I know what I'm like for pulling things down and then things just roll all over the place. So if I put that over there, then it'll solve a lot of problems. So the next thing I picked up was a 4-pack of Whisper bars, because I'm obsessed with these at the moment. It's just Cadbury's chocolate, but I just like it because they've got Whisper bars, a bubbly centre, and I just absolutely love them. So I picked up them. I've seen other YouTubers get these and they looked interesting, so I picked up some pom sticks in paprika flavour. I have to try these Swizzlers Pudge Chewy bars. I just had to try them. I've seen that they've been out for a while and they had them, so £1 a pack. Really good price. Most items were £1. The candle was £2. Now, I've seen these Lions Mallows bars. I have not had these since I was a child. I've not had them since then, and I just thought, I've got to try them again. It's been so long. I used to love these. There's 6 coconut mallow cake, so it's marshmallow, coconut on the top, like a biscuit, or if you're from the US, cookie base with chocolate covering it, and I had to try them. I've just got to try these, and I don't think they was £1. I think there was 60 or 70 pence. So yeah, I'm going back to my childhood with them. Next thing I've picked up is the 7-pack of different flavour of Millions. I love these sweets. I absolutely love them. And these are only £1, and I'm going to enjoy those. I'm not going to eat all this stuff in one go, guys. Don't worry. I don't do that. But yeah, when I fancy a bit of a sweet, yeah, I'm really going to enjoy those. Love those sweets. Then I picked up some more sweets. And these look interesting because I do like the strawberry straws that look like this. These are the smooth raspberry pencils from Feeney. 200-gram pack. And they look really, really good with lots of powder on by the looks of it. So I wanted to give those a try. And then I saw these in the health and beauty section. An eyeshadow blending brush. And I'm going to take this out because I need to have a look at this. Because all I've done this morning is literally open the box. And then just, when the shopping was done and we'd just come back, so we've not been back all that long, I've got on here to show you. So look at that. Isn't that stunning? And it was the handle that threw me. Because I like all things shiny. A bit like a magpie. So yeah, nice soft bristles, really lovely. So I'm looking forward to using that because I think that will work quite well in the crease. Yeah, really nice, soft, no loose bristles. But that is so pretty and I couldn't resist it. And for £1 I was going to pick it up. And if I can get it back in here, it will go into my little pot of brushes in a moment. And the last thing I picked up was this notebook here. And I liked it because it's got all the different sections, as you can see. And it's just lined paper. And I like it because I can section everything what I'm doing on my channel. So I know where I am a bit more than what I do now. And so that'll be good to use next year. And that was £1.50. If you look at notebooks like this on Amazon, they're about £3 to £4. I don't know what it is about notebooks being so expensive of late. Anyway, I found it on Cherryz. I thought I'll pick this up. They had some other designs, but I rather like this one. And the fact it says totally organised. So I'll pick that up as well. So that's my small Cherryz haul. I'm very impressed with the company. I will be using them again. So that is all I have for you. Please stay safe. And I've lost my thread again. I've got it. So if you like this video, please smash the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be very happy to have you here. If you have subscribed, welcome. And I will see you again very soon. So goodbye everyone.